guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Local Adventurer, and today we are back with another video, and this is one of my favorite topics to discuss, which is about plants. So during this whole quarantine period, I got a lot of time to spend with my plants, and all these plants that you see over here have been taken care of by me. So today we are going to discuss about say आप plants को अपने space के अंदर ला सकते हो and how to take care of them. Very minimal care which is required. So starting with the few plants that we have here, I'm going to talk more about them as I have observed them and have taken care of them, and I see that they are growing and it's all going fine up there. So I am very glad about it because especially indoor plants are a little sensitive, given that you have to give them their own space. Don't overwater them or don't care too much about them, but make sure that you regularly water them when it's required. So reason number one why you should have plants in your space is that having plants in your space is very good for your health. Plants help purify the air that is in your space, and especially in urban cities, and Bangalore is an urban city, so there are many pollutants in the air. So when you have plants around, plants absorb these pollutants. Second point why plants are important is that boost your mood, they improve your productivity. Now when it's a work from home scene for me, and when I'm really tired and my stress levels are high, and I look at my plants, somewhere in that process they kind of cheer me up, especially plants which have these pop of color or flowers. These kind of plants definitely cheer your mood and feel good, and I come back and start my work. I think it clearly improves my productivity level. Guys, so personally for me, I think they've also helped me do more physical activity. So when you do gardening, or when you're digging soil, or when you're pouring water to each and every plant, so there's some kind of physical activity that you're doing. Now speaking about indoor plants, like you can see, I have about 9 plants here with me. This is how my room looks like in a usual day. As you can see, I have about 7 to 8 plants in this small space that I have. So let's start with some of the big plants that I have in my space. So right over there behind me, you can see there's a palm plant, which is a majestic palm. It's quite tall and it clearly lifts up this entire space with the wide spread of its leaves. Having a plant in your house is just like having a pet. Plants are dependent on you and you need to take care of them, and time is important for that. I would not say that they need a lot of attention, especially indoor plants. You need to water them just once or twice in a week, and that is more than enough. Now let's start with point number 1 on how you can get these plants to your space. So the first point is that you have to go to a nearby nursery. By nursery I mean that a place where you have lots of plants. So let me show you a clip where I went to my nearby nursery with my neighbor and we got a few plants for our space.
Hi guys, so this is a very cute nursery here which is nearby to my place. It's not even 250 meters, and I do most of my plant shopping from here. Today we have a special guest with us who is my neighbor, and she is off the camera. So we are doing some plant shopping right now. They have a variety of plants, right from indoor to outdoor plants, and I like to spend my time here. So yeah, so let me take you around.
As you see guys, there are a wide variety of plants here which are all indoor plants covered in the shaded area over here. Moving towards the outdoor area, we see a lot of flowering plants which are kept here in this open space. Finally, my friend chose this plant for her living space, and I think it looks very fresh and live.
Yeah,
it's nice.
Now it's time to select a very pretty pot. A lighter shade of yellow is a very good color to add to your living space, and it's a perfect combination with the greens.
मैडम जी, हमारा एक कोकोपीट लगेगा, उसका चार्ज
एक
बहुत बड़ा है।
He's saying he's adding coco peat, which
जितना मेरे पास था मैं यूज कर दिया।
It will give you nice.
तो मैडम जी मेरी फोटो ले रही हो क्या?
हाँ, आप फेमस होने वाले हो।
Not just the plants, there is a wide variety of pots that are there at this place, and I just love the collection of pots here. If you are around Old Airport Road in Bangalore, then definitely do check out this place, guys. He really has a good collection of plants and the pots. I will give the details of the owner of this place in the description box. And if you have your own vehicle, then life becomes much more easier.
This is how she has set up the plant in her living area, and I clearly think कि बहुत ज़्यादा vibrant लग रहा है उसका space, और उसे भी काफ़ी she's feeling very happy. Someone in your house who is also living and breathing just the way you are. Second, you identify कि आपके घर पे ऐसे कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे इनडायरेक्ट सनलाइट आप प्लांट्स को मिल सकता है, लाइक अ विंडो और अ ओपन डोर, जहाँ से सुबह या शाम कभी भी थोड़ी सी सनलाइट आती होगी. एंड इफ इट्स शेडेड दैट इज आल्सो फाइन. अगर आपके पास बालकनी है तो देन दैट्स अ प्लस पॉइंट. थर्ड पॉइंट इज अबाउट वाटर लेवल्स. How much water should I give my plants? Now this is a very common question, and a lot of us kill plants because of overwatering them. Excess water is also not good for your plants, and underwatering your plants is also not a good sign. You will eventually see the tips of your plants turning brown, which means that there has been irregular watering that you are doing. अपने plants को कम पानी डालोगे तो वो भी ठीक है, पर अगर आप उन्हें overwater करोगे तो उनके जो roots होते हैं ना, they start rotting, and that is how your plants die. A very good tip is that you can touch the soil, and if it sticks to your hand, that means the soil is moist. When you add water to your plant, first thing is that make sure you use the same can, the same water can, so that you know how much water you're pouring in. So the first plant which I'm going to talk about is going to be the money plant. The money plant is a very common plant, and this is like very easy to maintain. You don't need any extra care. It's just that you need to water them twice a week. And it's a very simple plant to grow, and anyone can grow this plant. I have propagated this money plant. Now what is propagation? Propagation का मतलब होता है कि आप एक existing
Action!
प्रोपगेशन का मतलब होता है कि आप कोई भी एक एग्जिस्टिंग बड़े प्लांट से एक छोटे प्लांट को ग्रो करते हो. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू टेक अ कटिंग ऑफ अ प्लांट एंड देन start a new plant, and this is how I've got this plant. This plant is a baby which is here, and this is growing fine. This is a new leaf that has come, and as you can see another leaf is coming over here. So this plant is really doing well, and I water them twice a week. Also, money plants don't require any sunlight. You can keep it in a shaded area, but if you can give them little bit of sunlight, you'll see that they will start having this yellowish color on their leaves, which also looks very nice. So if you can manage, you can give some sunlight to them, that is also fine. But if you do not have any sunlight coming into your apartment, that is absolutely fine with money plants. It's very easy to grow, low maintenance. We don't have to add any fertilizer, nothing. We just have to water them twice a week, and that is more than enough for a money plant. The second plant that I'm going to talk about are these small succulents. So a lot of people have this misconception that succulents die very soon. Succulents don't require any care at all, and बहुत ज़्यादा केयर करते हैं, इसलिए हमारे succulents मर जाते हैं. Because succulents के roots काफ़ी ज़्यादा soft होते हैं, तो आपको इन्हें ज़्यादा पानी नहीं डालना है. अगर आप इनमें ज़्यादा पानी डालोगे तो इनके रूट्स सड़ जाएंगे और काफ़ी सारे succulents ऐसे ही मरते हैं. So you just have to water them once in a week, or once in 10 days, and that is also more than enough for a succulent to grow easily. So the third plant that I have maintained really well is mint plant over here. So this was a mud pot and I painted this pot myself. It's not come out very well, but I am quite happy with how it looks. So mint plant is absolutely easy to do. I propagated this plant a few months back. It's been 2 months. This is an Instagram picture that I uploaded a few months back when I just propagated this mint plant out of a bigger plant, and now it's grown so much. They're growing really fast, and you'll see many small mint plants inside growing simultaneously. So they grow really very fast and it looks like a bush. और mint को हम हिंदी में पुदीना बोलते हैं, और पुदीना का हम बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं to make chutney. You can make a drink out of it, and you can add it to biryani. So there are a number of uses of mint plant. It's edible and you can use it in various dishes. So the next plant that I have is the aloe vera plant. Now aloe vera has medicinal properties. It's good for your skin. You can mix it in your face pack. You can use it for your hair. It really makes your hair soft. So a lot of people invest in aloe vera gel, जो आपको readily मिल जाता है in a tube in any supermarket. But if you can have an aloe vera plant in your house, imagine the fresh aloe vera gel that you get out of it, which is 100% natural, and you can use it for your skin, for your hair, and some people also prefer drinking aloe vera juice. It takes a little bit of time to grow, but then once if you have it at your place, then you would love the benefits of this plant. So I would really suggest you to have an aloe vera plant. So this is a baby aloe vera plant which has grown from a bigger aloe vera plant. So propagated this plant as well. Aloe vera plants need sunlight. If you have a window where you get enough sunlight, you can keep it over there as well. Next up, we have an indoor decor plant, which is this. This is one of the plants from the croton family, and this is a croton plant. Croton plants have a pop of color. Like you can see, they have various colors in them, like yellow. There's also a dash of pink that you can see. So when the leaves become old, you can see a nice border of pink color. काफी ज़्यादा color add करता है आपके space में. So I really like this plant for those reasons. And ये जो leaf है, ये कुछ ही दिन पहले आया था. So my plant is growing, and that makes me really happy. And this is a beautiful indoor decor plant that you can have. So the next plant that I'm going to talk about is the ZZ plant. So this is the ZZ plant, and as you can see, इनके जो leaves are going in upward direction. I really like the look of this plant. They have this dark green leaves. This plant really adds a very nice vibe to your workspace. And yeah, one thing that is very important when you are taking care of a ZZ plant is that you don't have to ever overwater them, because if you see, the roots of these plants are very soft. So there is a chance that the roots can rot if you put extra water. So you have to water them just once in a week, and that is more than enough. And just let them be there, and you'll see that these plants really grow and have a very good height as well, just like the palm. So for all these plants, guys, make sure that you have drainage holes beneath them. Basically, if you see this pot, you will see a drainage hole. There are drainage holes below, so that if there is any excess water that you have poured in, then it will just go off on its own. If you think it's becoming difficult for you to keep a track कि आपको कभी water करना है और कभी नहीं, a simple trick that you can use is you can set a reminder on the days that you are free. Like for me, I work on the weekdays और मुझे सिर्फ Saturday Sunday मिलता है. So every Sunday I need to water my plants. I just have to take out 15 to 20 minutes and make sure you give enough water to your plants, and that is more than enough. Now one more tip when you water your plants is that, of course, if you add more water, then the water will start dripping off from your plants. So you keep a plate like these beneath your plants so that if there's any extra water, it gets collected on these plates and it's easy for you to clean your space. And you can enjoy the visual beauty and also the feel that you get when you have plants around. So I really suggest you guys to have plants around in your space and enjoy your time. It also helps you be busy, especially during quarantine. You can do some kind of physical activity when you have plants around you. Guys, these are a few of my indoor plants that I have loved maintaining. The last plant that I have for you are these. So this is a Kalanchoe plant. This is similar to a succulent, but the structure of this plant is a bit different. So you can see the leaves look quite different from a normal plant. These are also succulents, and you should not pour more water into a succulent because you can see they are very soft in nature. The roots are very delicate, so don't add more water. And that's it. So I hope you liked the video, guys. If you like this video for whatsoever reason, you're thinking twice about getting plants to your space, trust me guys, you don't have to think so much. Just get 2 or 3 and fall in love with them and start getting more. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these plants, and give a thumbs up, share, comment, and get more plants. Be happy, share happiness, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.